Today I will be calling cable. My name is Wakar Meyer and I'm your Elliott Wave analyst, reviewing what has been and predicting what is likely to be in cable price action. So since the last posting yesterday, today's April 29th, it looks like price action has done exactly what I said it would do. It has maintained the channel integrity, what I'm calling wave 3 of C. Okay, so this entire movement up, you've got A, B, and C developing. It's going to be a contracting diagonal, which means that each wave is progressively shorter. This yellow line at 55.75 represents the spot at which 3 would be longer than 1. Okay, so as you can see, it hasn't surpassed that point, so we can still call it 3 and consider it to be a contracting diagonal. This line down here at 52.77, that represents where 4 would be longer than 2. We need it to stay shorter then for it to be contracting. It has room to come down and hit the channel and still be shorter than wave 2. So everything looks on target, and it looks like wave 3 can still be shorter than, or excuse me, wave 5 can still be shorter than wave 3 to complete the C wave. It'll achieve the price target zone, which is right here in between the dotted lines. Once again, this wave down was a C wave that completed D of the triangle. 5 was the longest wave, so you would expect it to retrace to the internal second of the fifth, which it's on track to do. I think it'll achieve that zone, stay below 57.47, maintain channel integrity, and then from there, I'm looking for a big drop. If we want to zoom in on a smaller scale, this is a 3-minute chart, and right here is the top of the movement. Now, as you can see, it's gone short from there. If you wanted to call this wave 1, wave 2 is an expanded flat, wave 3, 4 is a zigzag, uh, and then wave 5, that all is potentially feasible. We would call that A, right? It would need to make a B wave, and then it would go short to finish the C wave. Of course, that C wave would have to get down to at least 54.10. And as you can see, if it did a 161 C wave relative to A wave Fibonacci, that's at 54.07. So that looks like it's quite feasible. If we use the channeling technique, right, it looks like it's broken out of a channel. So this would be 1 and 3. Move it up to 2, connect 4, whoops, sorry, connect 4, and because 4 did not break the channel, you would expect 5 to not break the lower channel, and it did not. In addition, if you simply connect the two highest peaks right here from the origin, it looks like it's breaking the channel, right? So if I extend that out, you can see it's breaking the channel. That's usually a good indication that a wave is over. So I'm going to go ahead and label this as A. It's making B. I expect a drop in C, right? And I would expect that to come down to 154.10 at a minimum. So that's it. That's today's edition of Calling Cable. We're on track and we're looking for a big trade setup when wave 5 of C of the multi-year triangle is over, of the E wave that is. I'm going to be looking to trade that short. So there you go. Be looking for my tweet for that trade setup. It should be coming, it's hard to say, a few days, maybe a week, but it's definitely coming, and I'll share that with you. Of course, if you want to follow me at Twitter, you can do so at Calling Cable. And till next time, good trading.